In this lesson, we're going to focus on the basics, the three fundamentals that'll carry us through most of the dance. So let's take our time to learn each of these individually, get comfortable with them before moving on to the next lesson. All right, let's get started.
All right, let's start with the frame. The follower is going to take their right hand to the leader's left hand.
I'm going to take my right hand, place it on her shoulder blade, like you can see there, and then she's going to place her left arm around mine.
All right, next we're going to start with the basic step. The follower is going to start with their right foot. We're going to step to the side, to our left, take the right foot back, and step forward. Again, there's 4 steps, going to our right first. 1, 2, back 3, and 4.
All right, here's the leader's footwork. I'm going to start with my left foot, step side, return to the right, step forward at the left, and come back to my right. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, next up is a spin. I'm going to start with the leader's footwork. So starting with my left foot, side, right foot, back, replacing my weight to my left foot, and then back to my right foot. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And the follower's footwork.
All right, we're going to step onto our right foot. 1, we're bringing the left foot around. 2, unwind. 3, place the weight back on your left foot. So again, stepping to our right, left, place the weight on the right, back to our left.
Let's try this without the frame for now. So let's see how our steps line up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's try it with just this hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll try it with the frame. 1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, let's move to the next step. We're going to learn a breakaway. The follower is going to step to the right, going side to the left, step back and forward. Remember, there's still 4 steps, going 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Just keep in mind that footwork is exactly the same as the basic, but here's where it gets different. So I'm going to show the leader's footwork, starting with my left foot. 1, 2, I'm stepping away. 3, 4. That's left, right, stepping back with the left, and forward to the right. We're going to demonstrate this with the frame so you can see what it looks like. We're together. 1, 2, then we're going to slide apart on 3, 4. Now we're going to stop there because usually we're going to connect this to something more exciting later. But for now, just practice the basic action. Again, that's 1, 2, 3, 4.